In this episode, sharks, turtles, and volcanoes, but first, we've got a leak to deal with.
If you listen closely, you can hear a little bit of a hissing going on, which is a leak from the freshwater side. So when water pressure goes up, you get a little leak going on right here next to my bed. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. So the water pressure's off right now, so it's a little lower, but it's still dripping away pretty good.
It's running down that outside edge, so it's not really getting anything too wet, but it's wasting our water and filling up the bilge. So we might have to cut the pipe and then put in a double-ended male fitting just to cut out the section that's damaged, I suppose. Which might be tricky. Not a lot of hardware here on the island. Happening right where that hose was, so it was just chafing a little bit over time, over the years, and finally wore through after 20-something years.
San Cristobal was a truly magical place, so we continued to hike and explore and see everything we could see in the limited amount of time we had remaining.
Just chilling. All right, amateur volcanologist reporting in. We're going on a mission to determine the volcanic activity. Boy, is this our boy? Oh no, sorry, we're waiting for someone else. That's the 5th time that's happened in the last 2 minutes. Oh, there you are. Different vehicle. Hola. Hola. Thanks, Wellington. How you doing, buddy? We're going. We have samples to take from the magma as volcanologists. Thank you. Volcano quest. All of us. We're all sacrificing ourselves.
Agree to it all.
He's trippy.
This is where they take all.
We will be mystified, we will be glistening.
We
The
will.
end of this.
We hiked to the El Junco lagoon, a lake which formed in the collapsed caldera of an old volcano. It's the only permanent freshwater lake in Galapagos.
Darwin's finches.
Yeah, we
Are
should.
they all Darwin's finches? There's a lot of finches.
I think it could be.
Watch out there, mister.
The crater we descend on our great journey. Improperly chosen volcanologist footwear.
I know they said that blackberries were eradicated, but I see some blackberry brambles right down there.
Busted. Blackberries. The path through whence we came and through hence we will go. Yep, it's a volcanic lake.
Then it got worse.
So misty that you can just look directly at the sun. It doesn't bother the eyes. This is happening. Just going barefoot. At this point, we're getting muddy anyway. A brief clearing here of the volcanic lagoon. I can go back and rescue my shoes. Seem to always feel inclined to take them off. So, something.
There's a pattern here.
There is a pattern for sure. Maybe I'm just not meant to own shoes.
Check it out, we can actually see. It's only getting clearer right now. Including, don't move, Matt.
Buenas.
$3. Tengo 5. No necesito, it's okay. Yeah, gracias.
This was the cafeteria of the local farmers market in San Cristobal. I'm pretty sure the entire meal was $5.
Yeah, un poco de limón, por favor. Yeah. Thank you very much. Gracias.
Thank you.
Muy bien.
Cool.
Here we are at Kicker Rock. We made it. And it's time to get into it. The water is 120 meters deep here. And it looks very blue. You may be noticing that the water isn't that clear. The reason is that it's very nutrient rich, and so that is one of the main reasons why Galapagos has such an abundance of marine life. Sharks! Good job.
It was exhausting with the wave
and cold. I got very cold. I can't feel my fingertips right now. Good job, team. Hello?
Here, our guide is explaining that the Galapagos Islands are moving to the east at about 10 centimeters per year. Eventually, they will subduct underneath the next tectonic plate as volcanic activity on the west continues to create new land masses. So the Galapagos Islands are actually continually rising out of the ocean on the west and will be sinking into the ocean on the east.
This kind of volcano. That's why we can distinguish them easily when are located around the island.
Very cool.
That's a tiny grouper.
Little grouper. We've attracted a friend. But
one thing that really surprised me about Galapagos is how incredibly knowledgeable and passionate all of the guides were on the various excursions that we took. Their dedication to education and conservation can be a great example to us all.
little dead eyes. Sorry, Celia, the coffee you picked is motor oil.
I picked the cheapest coffee, and I've regretted it. I've regretted it a lot.
Result.
Yep.
Flor de Chiriqui.
So we're off to hike the volcano today, and it's a beautiful gray, rainy day. Nice. White coral. It's not really a good thing. Some coral's white, but.
Es el dulce sueño, el famoso dulce sueño que le hacen a la gente, a los turistas que llegan a Guayaquil, no conocen, entonces van.
He's talking about the.
This is scopolamine, but we don't have here. And
No,
it's like it's a plant, you can grab it, you can cut it, and after you can drug people and they can do like you want after.
Crazy.
It's like GHB more or less.
Right. It's a nice day for a hike.
Yes.
So maybe we'll get some sun later if we're lucky.
In the end,
Yep.
I hope.
Hope so.
Green, totally green. And the north is very volcanic and very arid. No vegetation at all because we're still active and everything goes to the north. The older islands who don't have activity anymore, the eastern islands, Santa Cruz, San Cristobal, Floriana, Santiago, Española, all of them have vegetation all around. No problem because they don't have activity.
I know, you're right. You probably don't need to get the weather that often.
Rim of the volcano. You can't see a lot, but there's a nice rainbow. Not a double rainbow though. Whoa. Whoa, that's gnarly.
Yeah, and 40 kilometers is the circumference of the caldera because we are looking at the caldera, it's the bottom. This volcano and is so big, bigger than the other ones in Isabella, who's still active, because the other ones are complete. All of them have more than 1,400 meters until 1,700 meters. Worth, the highest one. The youngest and the most active volcanoes. We're still active. So to have an idea what happened is Galapagos is a hotspot and we are moving like 6 centimeters in a year to the continent, to the volcano.
Oh, cool.
And the other ones,
The lava field, everyone. Oh, yeah, look. Matt and his hats.
this is the beginning of a lava tunnel because when the lava flow is coming with that speed, in meantime it's running, melt the rocks below. Entonces, it's the same lava flow who made the lava tunnels because on top it's going to be hard in contact with the oxygen, but the lava tunnel is going to be deep. It's because it's the same lava flow, melt the rock, not the gases or the pressure blow that, and finally you have a lava tunnel because it's blowing. Inside, a lava tunnel, a part of the vegetation of course, a lava tunnel who's connected, but when that lava flow stops running, open holes, entonces all this is open at constant pressure and spread a little bit lava at constant pressure. Looks like a little cone at constant pressure, the same like this one, but it's not a little eruption or it's not a little volcano. just escape part of the gases of the big one.
3 millimeters per year.
Volcano near the those vents that he pointed out earlier.
Neat.
Very light.
200 meters high.
So that means that this one up ahead, these are 1,000 years old, or maybe 800 years old.
Yes, around. Black and red on top. Yeah,
Very cool.
this was first, second, and the last lava flow. For silica and iron, the lava flows running is going to be slower than the normal lava flow.
It kind of looks like this, you know? Because once it looks like this, it just stays this way for forever.
Iron.
Amazing how life somehow finds a way in the middle of volcanic, barren rock.
But not any available. And if you come here, please, it's another hole, and vegetation means water steam down there.
Windy.
Escribe mi número.
Mucho gusto, señor.
Friend, my
Thank you
pleasure,
for your
my
knowledge.
pleasure.
I really appreciate that.
¿Cuál es tu número?
Más
soaking on the way down.
593
Here we are, completely soaked.
981.
Completely soaked.
No hay como un
Yeah, and my shoes.
We're
My shoes wet.
Slipping on down. We do not have good traction here.
Yeah, I almost bailed a couple times. I was like, whoa, and I kind of surfed it.
Yeah, I was wondering if anyone's gonna have a muddy butt when we got down here.
All right, that's about it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you posted with the latest content, and we'll see you next time.
Sick moves ahead.
When they're young, you think they have easy stuff.
Time to go.
Time to go, little guy. He's gonna come right through.
Thanks for staying at Hotel Stardate. Fortunately, you don't cook or clean. In fact, you make the place smell like